What is going on, guys? Marc Guberti here. In this video, we're going to talk about 5 different ways you can generate revenue using social media. Now, there's a lot of different ways to generate revenue with social media, but there are only a handful of them that can actually be sustainable. So rather than a few dollars here and there, some people, they use these strategies and they operate their entire businesses using these sets of tactics. So the first way to make money with social media is to promote products. Now, these could be your products that you create yourself, whether they be crafts or a digital product or anything else, or it can be an affiliate product. So even if you don't have your own product, if there's something you like and you recommend and you enjoy talking about, that could be something that you promote as an affiliate. You can do a Google search for your favorite brand, put affiliate program at the end of that, and then you will see if they have an affiliate program or not. And all of those commissions do add up. Amazon, they have an affiliate program. So practically every single type of product imaginable is up for grabs. But if you are going the affiliate route, I would encourage you to look beyond Amazon. Amazon's great because of their options, but their commissions aren't so desirable. So I would definitely look up affiliate programs based on products and services you already recommend and see if you could get those links, and then you can do videos about them. You can promote on other social platforms as well. But promoting products is one way to generate revenue with social media. Another way to generate revenue with social media is through sponsorships. Now, a lot of people, they think you need to have a big audience to get sponsorships, and the people who make full-time incomes through sponsorships, yes, they have really big audiences. But there are some people who, they don't have big social media audiences, but they're very targeted, and that allows them to get sponsorships where you're not going to make a full-time income from it, but it's a little extra income that, you know, every little dollar adds up over time. And if you're not getting sponsors, then you could put those products promotions and affiliate marketing efforts in those placements where you would be getting sponsors. So you can act like you have sponsors in the sense where you're promoting your own products, you're promoting affiliate products, so you're able to make revenue in a similar way to how your audience would engage with a sponsor, but you can eventually get sponsors as well. And a good way to get sponsors is to see who is already sponsoring the social media people in your space. So like for podcasts, they frequently mention their sponsors. Who are those sponsors? Reach out to them and see if you could strike a deal with them for your content. Now, it's better to focus on audience growth first and then approach sponsors later, but it is just good for you to think of this idea of social media monetization to know that you can someday tap into that income stream. The third way to make money with social media is to build relationships with potential clients. Now, the great thing about this strategy is you don't need a big audience. Some people, they actually use this strategy to land good jobs. You just interact with people, the decision makers, whether it be the CEO of the company, who, like the small business that you want to serve as a client, or you're looking to land a job somewhere. So you reach out to people and you build conversations with some of those decision makers. Using social media to strategically build relationships is a great way to accelerate your business or career. And LinkedIn is one of the best platforms when it comes to engaging with individuals because of the detailed searches you can do to find people based on occupation, based on location, and a variety of other factors. The fourth way to make money with social media is to start a group. A group is where you have a community of people who gather together, and as the group grows bigger, you're gonna have people in the community who create the content and do all the engagement for you. At the beginning, a group is considerable work, but again, you've got the community that will back you up as your group continues to build, and you can promote products and services in that group from time to time or welcome sponsors. So the group is primarily a way to grow your audience. You can ask questions to all of the incoming members. So for instance, what a lot of people do is they will say like, hey, are you subscribed to the YouTube channel? Yes or no? And some people say no, which is totally fine. Some people say yes because they saw one of these videos and they joined a group. Or they say, I wasn't when I first came across this question, but now I am subscribed. So you can ask questions that lead people to your other platforms, and also perfectly leading into the fifth way to monetize social media, which is to lead your social media followers to an opt-in. And the reason that an opt-in is so important is email is the one form of communication that you have the most control over. At any given moment, a social network can change its algorithm at will and affect the amount of people who are able to view your content. So when you have an email list, that is the audience you can email at any time, knowing that your email is going to land in their inbox. It's also where a lot of the money comes from when it comes to promotions of products. Social media is a great way to build awareness and get some sales, but the email list is the big money maker for a lot of online businesses. So if you are able to turn a social media follower into an email subscriber through an opt-in page, pages that are getting easier and easier to create, you are increasing the lifetime value of a customer, and you are increasing the amount of money you make from social media. Although this being a more indirect way, where social media, the objective there, get people to the opt-in page, have that convert, get people to your email list, and then you promote products and services that your subscribers will enjoy. So those are the different ways to monetize social media. If you guys are doing any other social media monetization strategies, I'd love to hear from you guys in the comments. And I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys next time.